free AI tool which you can use on AI on YouTube. I'm pretty much going to show you guys. So all you have to do is tap on the plus icon here. Once you do tap on the plus icon here, you can tap on the star icon here, and you'll be able to pretty much see the home screen, or what I say, the AI generated section of the AI tool or YouTube AI tool. So you have a lot of templates which you can copy. These are some AI video templates which you can use and do get different results. If you want, let's say you want this one here, just tap on the pretty much the video that you want to copy. You can upload a full body image and you pretty much get these results. Very easy to use, and the quality is very high, so you're gonna get precise and pretty much accurate quality with YouTube tool. So it's completely free. You don't have any subscription or anything like that. So if I do go back, you can as well create AI videos with this YouTube tool. Top on the option here, you can go in this section here. We have some other prompts, as you can see here. You have some default prompts which you can use as well, and as well you can enter your own prompt that you like to generate your AI videos. So let's say I'm going to use one of these AI prompts here. You just tap on that and pretty much go ahead and tap on this option here, and the video will pretty much start generating. So it will take a while, not long, maybe a minute, let's say a minute, but depending on your prompt and what you enter, it will take in no time. So as you can see here, it's almost finished. But very easy tool to use. You don't need any subscription or anything like that. Once you have the YouTube application or YouTube, everyone's supposed to have YouTube on their device, so it shouldn't be a problem for you to use this for free. So as you can see here, once it's finished, you'll be able to pretty much see the video. So let's a file. So here is the finished product of the video. I can go ahead and download the video as well. As you can see here, the top option, nothing much, just some presets. But once the video is finished, you can go and pretty much save it to your gallery very easily. And if you do tap on the next option, you'll be able to create a continuation, let's say not continuation, a post of that video that you have created to YouTube. So you just redirect it to the YouTube posting section, as you can see here. Nothing much, and you'll be able to edit it to your liking. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I do go back in the section here, I can as well make dancing videos, that option here, and pretty much go ahead and pretty much do upload a full body image and get these results. So very easy to use. You have the photo or the image to video option. You can tap on that here. You just select a photo from your gallery and you'll be able to turn that photo into a video. So I don't have any images in my gallery, so that's why it's saying no media. And as well, you have the image option here. You can tap on this option here to pretty much create video as well. As you can see here, you have different prompts which you can use as well. So it's completely free. You don't have to worry about subscription like that. As well, if you're gonna upload images, you can tap on the plus icon here to get the shortcut to upload your images and so forth. So very good AI tool that the YouTube have added to their platform, and I will recommend you guys check it out and give it a try in the comment section. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, step in the comment section. See you guys in the next one.